check this thing out. Now, I've had knives from these guys before, and I've been very impressed with their quality. So you know what? I decided to pick up one of these kind of all-in-one machetes here, and let's just kind of like go over it, and let's take a look at it. So you can see how it comes right here. It comes in like this like sheath, and then it's got a piece of plastic on the outside. Now this one I got in a green, and check out that kind of has the look of like an old school kind of fighter jet on this thing, the way it's got that, the raging shark. So it's got a, I guess that's would technically be a saw blade on the back. We will put it to the test, but I don't think I'm going to see that saw blade being used. Has a paracord, and that is a lot of paracord. I think it's paracord that's wrapped around some foam, because it's like you can feel some foam down in there. So if you actually needed some paracord, you know what? You got it right there. The weight of this thing is very light, everybody. I like the swing weight of this. This feels really good. And the paint on it looks really awesome. Let's just kind of like look over the paint there. Let me go over here and chop on some kind of trees and wood, and let's see how this thing chops, because, and I will try to saw something, but like I said, the teeth are so big on this, I just don't see, I think it's more of a cosmetic tooth more than anything. So let's go over and test it out now. Okay, first thing, let's try out this saw blade. Well, as you can see, it does actually saw, but not that good. You see what it's doing right there? So it does actually saw, but you're not going to get that much on here. Here's what it's really meant for, is chopping. Look at that. Oh, and it leaves some green behind. It leaves this green look behind. Wow. Holy crap, that goes in that wood nicely. Look at that. It's got a very kind of clean blade. Look how easily it goes into my log. And then, yeah, everybody, it's actually extremely sharp. It has a very sharp blade on it. There you go. I don't see any issues with it for like hitting wood right here. Let's go over and hit some weeds, basically like an old school Amazon, just like knocking down some weeds. Well, you see how good it works on those branches. You know what? This thing, it has a cosmetic look to it, but it is no joke. It works extremely well. Wow, look, it just cuts right through those like it's nothing. Everybody, I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking for kind of a light duty machete for kind of doing it all. I think this thing's gonna be great, and this is what I'm gonna be taking anytime I do some kind of little backwoods bushwhacking. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the REAT paracord handle machete. See you on the next video.